Now let's talk about solving linear equations. So we will learn how to solve linear equations. Let's first talk about what do we mean by equations, then what are linear equations, and what do we mean by the solutions of linear equations. So equations are two mathematical expressions with the equal sign in the middle. So anything like 2x plus 1 and right hand side again mathematical expression 5x plus 1, this is a equation. 4x squared plus 3 is equal to 8x, this is again an equation. We have two mathematical expression, any two mathematical expression, and equal sign in the middle. Okay, so these are the equations. So now next thing is, what do we mean by linear? What are linear equations? Not every equation is a linear equation. So linear equations are those equations where the highest degree of the variable is 1, highest degree of variable of x or y, whatever the variable we are using, the highest degree has to be 1. For example, this is linear equation, the highest degree of the variable x is 1. This is not linear equation because the highest degree of the variable is 2. This is also linear equation because the highest degree of the variable is 1. So today we will only learn about linear equation where the highest degree of the x is just 1. And we are going to learn how to solve them. Solve them means, for example, if you have an equation like 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 and we are asked to solve this. So solve means we are looking for x values which satisfies this equation. So that means we are looking for the x values. In other words, x values that satisfy this equation means which makes the left hand side equals to right hand side. So x values, when you substitute those values here in the equation, we get left hand side equals to right hand side, which makes the left hand side of this equation equals to the right hand side of the equation. In other words, we are isolating x. So all these means is we are solving for x. So solve for x, isolate x, find x values which satisfy this equation, find x values which makes the left hand side equals to right hand side. That is the meaning of solving equation. So now let's first see, if you have any x value, how you can check that it satisfies this equation or not. Let's see. So for this equation, let me ask you a question. Is x is equal to minus 1 a solution to this equation? So what is the question? My question is this x value makes this equation true? Satisfy this equation? Makes the left hand side of this equation equal to the right hand side of this equation or not? So if yes, then it is a solution. If not, then it is not a solution. Every solution will satisfy the equation. So what we will do, we will evaluate this equation at x is equal to minus 1. So first put parentheses around all the variables x and then substitute x with this value minus 1. We get minus 2 plus 3, 1 is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means x is equal to minus 1 makes this equation true. So you can say that x is equal to minus 1 is a solution. is a solution to this equation. So let's do one more question. So let's do one similar question here. Suppose we are given this linear equation, and the question is x is equal to 1 a solution to this equation? So again, we will follow the same rules. We will see if this x value make this equation true or not. We will plug in this value in the equation. So first we put parentheses around all x values, and then we will substitute this x value here. So we get 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, and the right side is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we can say that x is equal to 1 is not making our equation true, so it is not a solution to this equation. Clear? Okay, so this is how we can check if any x value is a solution or not. But if you are just given the equation and you are asked to solve this linear equation, so what steps do we have to use to solve linear equations? Let's first solve first step, one step linear equation. So let's learn solve one step linear equation. Okay, so in these linear, so we have to solving linear equations in one step. So our aim is to isolate x. So to isolate x, what we will do? So we will apply the opposite operation. So if something, so what are the opposite operation? Multiplication and division are opposite operations. And plus and minus are opposite operations. Okay, if something is connected to x with plus or minus sign, so for example, let's take this example, x plus 5 is equal to 15, and we have to solve this equation. So something is, our aim is to isolate x. If something is connected to x, so 5 is connected with x with plus sign, so we have to apply the opposite operation. So plus and minus are opposite. So opposite of plus is minus. So we are going to do minus 5 on both sides. So we get x is equal to 45. So 50 minus 5. So these 5s will cancel out. So 50 minus 5 is 45. So this is the solution. If something is connected to x with minus sign, so to isolate x, we have to use the opposite operation. So if there is a minus operation, so we will do the plus operation. So they will cancel out. Why opposite? Because opposite operations will cancel each other. And we are able to isolate x. We get x value is 55. 50 plus 5 on the right hand side, we get x value is 55. If something is connected to connected to x with multiplication like this, now 5 is connected to x with multiplication, and to isolate x, we know that we have to use the opposite operation, multiplication and division. So divide both sides by 5. 5 is connected to x with multiplication, so we will use the opposite operation, division, by the same number, by 5. So we get x value is 10. Similarly, if 5 is connected with x in the division, so we are dividing x by 5. So to isolate x, what is the opposite operation? Multiplication. We will multiply by 5. So what we will do, we will multiply by 5 on both sides. So it is x over 5, and right hand side also we will multiply by 5. So these two 5's will be cancelled out. We get x is equal to 250. So these are the one step solution for linear equation. If something is attached to x with plus or minus, use the opposite operation, minus with plus, plus with minus, with the same number. If something is connected to x with multiplication or division, then use the opposite operation, multiplication. If there is a multiplication, use division. If there is a division, use multiplication by the same number. Thank you.